Morning guys. Well, it's nearly 12 o'clock, like around 25 minutes till 12, but I'm gonna get ready. But in this vlog today is like a content day in my life, but with a bit of autumn cleaning, deep cleaning, but also I want to film loads of content. So that's what is happening in this vlog. But before we get proper into the autumn vibes and content creator vibes, I'm gonna go and walk the dogs because it's actually a really nice day, as you can see by the hopefully the good quality lighting. I'm literally at my window right now, and we don't get it that often in Scotland, especially in autumn or winter. But I quite like the couple of days of just coziness rain, but I was working most of them days, so it wasn't as cozy, but it's still quite nice to have a mixture now of rain and sun. But let's go get ready and take the dogs on a walk. So this is my setup for filming. I would get my tripod out, but I can't be bothered, and I need to clean the floor of my room later on after I have my lunch. So this is the setup for now. I actually quite like this setup. It's just my tripod on my desk, and then I'm just sitting or trying to find the seat comfortably on my bed. And then I normally do these types of setups if I'm doing a chit chat video like I am today. So I'm gonna go and film that, and then I'm gonna have my lunch, and then I'll probably try and edit this video today to get up on probably Monday. I don't know if I'm going to film the epilepsy video as well, because I've been wanting to film that for ages, but I also want to film this one first because this is what's been happening recently in my life, and I feel like not many people talk about disabled people in retail, so I want to spread awareness about it. Let me go and film the video, and I will see you when I'm done. So that video is done. That was exhausting. I needed to write down some script words, but I forgot to. I wanted it to come from the heart, so it might be a bit messy, but hopefully I can edit it down. I think it's going to be about 40 minutes long to edit, so I will be having a long editing session today. So it's 7:30 right now. I'm gonna change my bed in. I'm gonna show you the one autumn decoration I've got, but I have not found any more autumn decorations, so hopefully there'll be a more decorating with me for autumn video coming soon. But I do need to change my bedding. I'm not gonna put the teddy bear bedding on because it still feels like summer, to be honest, and I want it to be autumn. But yeah, I'll probably put it on the next time I change my bedding after this time. But let's go change my bedding. Probably gonna put the Winnie the Pooh on or the Mickey Mouse. So the ones I'm putting on is the Mickey and Minnie ones, just because that's the quickest I could find.